Alright, what's up everybody? We are on episode 30 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, which is called The Beauty Makes Her Move. The Beauty? Who is the Beauty? I don't know if it's supposed to be a person, but anyway, honestly that could have to do, of course, with Murin, who we now see, of course, Hume and Crucius fighting over, and yeah, it's interesting. So last episode basically delved into how Murin feels kind of held captive, basically, right, by Clayman. And that's something I guess that we've started to learn a little bit over time here, is that she's not acting necessarily off of her own accord. It's more that, you know, and maybe this is the one part that I wasn't necessarily catching onto last episode, but as I thought about it, basically Clayman threatened Murin by saying that he'd go after Hume specifically if she didn't listen to him, right? So that's why in the final moment we see where she's activating actually this barrier right now over the city, which will cause Slime not to be able to, Rimuru, sorry, not to be able to communicate with everybody in the town. Because that's of course exactly what Clayman wants, is he does not want Rimuru to be there. But so is Clayman's tactic then, now that I think about it, is it simply using this barrier right now, using the fact that Rimuru can't go, or will not, most likely, although I think he will actually, but he will not go back to his town. Is that all supposed to then coincide with the Falmouth attack? And I don't know if Clayman himself had any role in actually getting Falmouth to specifically go after Rimuru's town? Or, I mean, he might have. Like, some of these people might have actually been under his thumb, if you get what I'm saying. Like, think about that priest guy or whatever, right? He could have been maybe connected somehow to Clayman, now that I think about it. But I guess those really are the tactics that he deploys, right? Because I'm presuming that, yeah, Clayman really, I mean, he is that cunning strategist, and he doesn't necessarily have his own army. He just uses or makes use of particular situations and puts them towards himself, or I don't know what the expression there is, but again, like, yeah, he saw this coming, I guess, somehow, right? And so now he's just using Murin to make this situation all the more beneficial to him and to Falmouth, most importantly, so that they would be actually able to win this battle and that they would be able to take out Rimuru's town. Yeah, fascinating stuff. I mean, the question is, like, how does Rimuru then manage, now that he is basically not able to communicate with the people in his town? How does he still manage to make it back? Is this where some of these other characters are going to start coming into play, like Diablo or like, you know, Hinata, right? Who was spying on Rimuru from behind the tree. Obviously, we know that with Diablo, there will come a lot of, well, he already had that sort of, that crystal ball that he looked through and stuff, right? And I'm sure that we know that he was a very strong, powerful character in the past, and I don't know exactly as a demon himself what he can do, if that makes sense, but like, he might be able to, he might have been able to see more in that crystal ball, actually, and he might have been able to tell that this town was about to be attacked. He might have actually straight up told Rimuru about it to kind of get into his good graces and get on his side, right? I mean, again, what his actual intentions are going to be moving forward, I don't even know right now. I know so little about his character. I can only just kind of speculate about, okay, what wildcard is about to be coming into play here that's gonna, you know, like, that's gonna cause these characters to actually get formally sort of introduced into the show. Because we know they will at some point. There's Diablo, and again, there's Hinata, which, well, with Hinata, Rimuru said that she specifically was going to be responsible for causing the disaster. What even is the disaster? Right now, it already seems like we got a pretty big disaster on our hands with, you know, with Falmouth attacking the town. So I'm guessing, though, that the disaster will be something even bigger than that. And it's going to be more than just an actual straight-up war. It's going to be, you know, an event in the world that's going to, you know, I automatically think back to Mushoku Tensei, not to spoil that show, but there's a particular disaster there too, right? And it's like, okay, yeah, that changed things drastically. So how are then these other characters, the other world, are still going to, you know, like, come into play, of course, with the girl actually having accused Gobzo, God bless his soul, of sexual assault. Man, yeah, there's so much at play right now. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I'm not gonna lie about it. Anyway, guys, we're going to dive into this new episode. Of course, if you enjoy my reactions to That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, you will be able to get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. Over there, you can also watch my full-length reactions. 5 OVAs, of course, that I've put up there as bonus content as well. And you can sign up as a free member and watch at least the next 2 episodes already right now. So I hope to see you there. But for now, let's dive into it. Yo, are we re-watching the scene from the Season 1 finale, or are they just crying again? Yeah, no, this is that part, I'm pretty sure. Yep, there goes Feldora again. Hey, Chloe, we might need you as the hero right now to solve this this problem. I was gonna say, I mean, that's what I think we had been seeing already, right? I'm kind of lost why we're revisiting this. Because they did graduate. Well, actually, they just passed. They didn't graduate. Oh, I think I get it. Because this is just when we would see Hinata from behind the tree. Maybe that's actually why we're watching this again. Yeah, no, it was just meant to be. Yeah. It was destiny. Oh, wait, and it's like an anti-magic mask, as it's called, right? I don't know if I actually know what it truly does, though, but maybe that's gonna somehow be able to come into play with the town being attacked right now and the magic barrier. Here we go. Yo, can he see her? I was gonna say, my man was actually genuinely overlooking, so... Okay, he's just sensing it right now. Yeah, no, she's... Oh, fuck. Yeah, that we did not see. Enclosed in a wide-range barrier, all spatial interference skills that would permit exist are sealed. Okay. Please flee. Shit. Yo, dude, I'm genuinely lost. Like, I did not... Is this actually happening now? Has everything that we've seen so far actually been leading up to this moment? Because I was not actually fully aware of that, if that's the case. But what fucking barrier is this now? Or did he just learn about fucking barriers here? And would this come in handy with him being able to detect that they've put a barrier up now around the town too? All magic skills will be limited. Yeah, we might need that fucking mask back. That's what it was for, I think. Exactly. Oh shit. She's approaching you right now, actually. Yeah, no, so she's just the one responsible for putting these ones up, of course. This has nothing to do with the other barriers. Oh shit. Guardians of law and order. Natural enemies of monsters. The friendly introduction. Wow.
やっぱ俺か。なんで俺が魔物の国の名手なんだ。見ての通り普通の冒険者なんだけどな。
Sure you are, buddy. We didn't just see you on top of a wolf in slime form.
密告？テンペストを潰すってまさかすでに攻撃を。さあ、どうかしら。
Huh. Okay, and here we are again. So these things were happening simultaneously, I guess, huh? Damn! Yo, that sounded rough though. Okay, I mean... Yeah, no, he's injured, but... Oh, let's fucking go, dude. I've still not managed to memorize his name. Wasn't it like Akira or something like that? But I'm starting to like him more and more. Showing up in the most crucial moments. My man knows his fucking skills. Barrier makes monsters weaker. Damn, dude. He's relentless. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. He's bleeding good, man. Yeah. Wow. Man actually just kicked him right on the head as he fell. Say what you want, but these other worlders ain't playing around. Yeah, you're not doing much either, Gobzo. See, and normally I trust Tryon right here, but I don't know what this dude can do. He seems relentless as well. Shit, man. Oh no, he's hitting her where it hurts. Since when are you stepping your game up? Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm starting to like the lackeys more and more over time, I will say. They're growing on me. Oh, what a shot. Damn! Oh, fuck. Okay, that's a scratch. Better than nothing. Oh no, the army is coming in, man. I don't know what they would even figure though. Like, are they just thinking of in the midst of this like chaos right now, just fleeing? Oh shit, the little girl. Innocent citizens, it looks more like you're about to trample her. Wow. Damn. Man, this whole place is getting destroyed. Look at this. This is bad, actually. Holy fuck. I did not expect we'd genuinely see it come to this. I'm not gonna lie. Rimuru's still here. The right hand of God in the Holy Empire of Lubelius, Chief Knight of the Imperial Guard and Captain of the Holy Knights. Hinata Sakaguchi. I pray it will be meaningful. Yeah, I don't think she'll give you a second, that's the problem. Oh, fuck, that's just what I'm saying, man. Yup, see?
敵は撃たせてもらうわよ。だから待てって。お前日本人だろ。俺もなんだよ。日本人？そうだ。シズさんにお前のことを頼まれて。シズ先生に私のことを。
Oh shit. Now this is about to turn the tables. She doesn't trust that, obviously, yeah.
だから本当に日本人だって。向こうで死んでこっちでスライムに生まれ変わってしまっただけで。情報通り日本人だって言い張るのね。
I mean, give her your real name. Satoru. Mikami. Intel. Wait, what? Hang on. What did you say about her intel? Oh, you insist you're Japanese just as my intel told me. What, as in, like, told you that he would act out to be Japanese, but actually isn't? Or did the intel actually, was it honest about Rimuru to you? I don't know. Keep up the act, yeah, so, yeah. So who is her intel? Could it be Noir? Nah, doubtful, right? Damn! Oh my god, the rainbow colors, dude. Shit is beautiful. Wow. Right in the stomach. Holy shit. Yo.
これ以上食らうとやばい気がする。
この技術は物質体ではなく精神体、スピリチュアルボディへの直接攻撃であると推測されます。
精神に直接作用するとは。あとどれくらい持つ？
I don't know what that means, but yeah. Oh, okay. Well, there's a certain limit you have. Interesting. Even if you're physically not harmed. Just take it. The Western Holy Church's ultimate and... Okay, but she mentioned the Western Holy Church, and that's the same place that the priest was basically advocating for, right? Or that the priest was from, who was in Falmouth. So they technically, yeah, I mean, she obviously has, yeah, well, whatever. She's got the cross and everything, so I guess I should have been able to make this connection, but I hadn't yet. Oh no. Oh man. Yeah, exactly. Personal revenge. How are we gonna be able to convince her? Yo, dude. I don't know if this is the strategy. No, of course not. Everything matters in between. I want you to depend on me. Yeah. Good point, actually. I mean, it could have been Noir, I guess. Because he was looking into his bowl and stuff, and he knows what transpired. Yo, you're not actually going for it. I thought we would convince her instead, but... Yeah... I don't see how this is going to end. Like I'm up against Great Sage. Oh fuck, right through him. Really? Could have been like a shoulder. Or armpits, that's what I meant, but... Dead End Rainbow. Guarantee that my opponent dies on the 7th strike. Oh yeah, that's a religious attack. Even if he's a spiritual being. We're gonna end it right here. Yo, this shit is epic.
国ユニークスキル変質者にて上位精霊イフリートを純粋な精霊として分類
Isolate the superior spirit Ifrit. Oh, really? We're sending him at her? Yeah, again, all the more proof for her that you're the one who killed Shizu, I guess, huh? Wow. My man must be relieved he no longer has to listen to Veldora's stories. Or maybe he's gonna actually... Maybe he's gonna serve as proof. Oh shit. We can really just send him out like a Pokemon, huh? That's insane.
解イフリートは強制簒奪の影響を
Suffered the effects of compulsory usurpation? She can steal opponents' abilities. You're a beast, far exceeding my expectations.
驚いた。どうしてわかったの？まあいいわ。正解よ。私の持つユニークスキル。超えるものでね。超えるもの。俺のグラトニーのようなものか。
Actually, good point. Oh, so maybe...
グラトニーか。
I forget what gluttony exactly does, but like maybe we can kind of steal it back.
Hinata. シズさんからはクロエたちだけじゃなく、お前のことも頼まれていたんだが、俺には時間がないんだ。悪いが手加減できそうもない。
Hey, you mentioning those kids, I mean maybe that's actually just enough.
それでは私も最後に少しだけ。
Yeah, no, I guess not. I mean, she knew we were coming from there, I guess, but... Why would we have spent time with the kids and everything? I don't know how she ever reached this conclusion. Oh shit, man. This whole episode just focused on this fight, basically. And it was amazing. Okay. We're gonna use it. Yo, he just gluttonied the sword, basically. The attack. As if I'd fallen asleep. Oh my god, what actually happened? Alright guys, I guess we'll see you next time. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and of course you can get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. You can also sign up as a free member and watch the next 2 episodes already right now. So, I'll see you there.